Now then, we're back again with another quick tutorial video for you. Today we're going to show you how to change the battery in your diesel heater remote. First, you're going to want to shut the guard so you don't accidentally turn your heater on if you're near it. Then flip it over and undo the 3 screws on the back. Flip it back over, remove the top, then the buttons, and then their rubber underlay. Next, remove the battery gently using a small flat-headed screwdriver. The type of battery you're going to need is a 12 volt 27A alkaline battery. Link is in the description, as always. Then place the new battery in and repeat the previous steps in reverse. Rubber underlay, rubber underlay, 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 rubber underlay, buttons, lid, flip, screw, done. And that's it. We are Van Life UK Complete Survivor's Guide. Please hit subscribe on the way out.